he didn't get into residency. The wife is too smart. She got into residency, and like the whole dynamics and mental well-being. There's some different challenges for female. Having said that, if you're easy on eyes and you're good looking, that's a big plus everywhere. It's a good honesty. They take like longer time with the virus, but they ask very simple questions. And then they will say, okay, you are done, you can go. But that only takes me to a certain after that is all your brains. So after that is all your brains. So the manic prevails there. And of course, if you get pregnant during residency, my biggest fear was that what should I do? So what is the best year? Because I did GYN, which is OBGYN, which is 4 years. Should I get pregnant in the first year? Oh my God, that's the toughest because I have to work like a slave for everybody. Should I get pregnant in second year, which is lighter, or like a third or fourth year? So fourth year, you are the chief, you're just ruling everybody, and you have everybody underneath you who's working. So you have to time everything. The biggest challenge for the female is the biological clock, when to have a baby, which year you have to have a baby, and it doesn't end up there. Once you have the babies, when you start practicing, who's going to take care of your babies? You have to clean your own bathrooms. There are no mulazim there, there is no chauffeur there. So who's going to work for you? And you cannot hire the babysitter, you have to be really rich. Probably you are just paying back your loan, so you can't have the babysitter. And then you will come up to, if your extended family is there, you'll be living with them, use them as a babysitter until you finish the whole thing. So challenges are way harder, but if, again, everybody's supportive, it can be done. I did it, but I stayed with my in-laws, and I'm still with them.
Thank you, Shana. That was a very nice presentation. What would you say regarding working hours there? Because usually, as you know already, in Pakistan, usually we have 8 to maximum 2 or 3, except for Shah Khan, which goes to 5. So, how are the working hours there? When you have people in residency, and once you are done your residency, then how does your status change? Working hours stopped, and what are the perks with that?
This is a beautiful question. Residency, there is no life, right? My mom was sick and she got diagnosed with breast cancer, and I was too afraid to take time off. And she's the reason I'm a doctor. She's the reason she sent me abroad to get the higher education. I got settled there. So because I was trying to fulfill her wishes, but at the same time, she was not there to see what I achieved when I was at the peak of my career. So there